Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you feel weighed down by debt? Maybe it's credit card bills, a personal loan, or even small amounts here and there. Debt can feel heavy and stressful, but the good news is that you don't have to stay stuck. Today, we're going to talk about debt management strategies, smart ways to tackle what you owe, get out of debt faster, and feel lighter financially. It's all about having a clear plan to pay back your money. The first step is to understand your debts. Write down all your debts, list who you owe money to, how much you owe, and most importantly, the interest rate on each debt. You'll often find that credit card debt has a very high interest rate, while a home loan might have a much lower one. Knowing these numbers is like knowing your enemy. It helps you plan your attack. Now let's look at two very popular and effective ways to pay down your debts: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball method focuses on motivation. Here's how it works. You list your debts from the smallest amount owed to the largest, no matter the interest rate. You pay the minimum amount on all debts except the smallest one. On that smallest debt, you throw every extra rupee you have. Once that smallest debt is paid off, you take the money you were paying on it, plus any extra you added, and use it to pay off the next smallest debt. Like a snowball rolling down a hill, your payments get bigger and bigger as you pay off each debt, building momentum and helping you clear debts faster. It's great for staying motivated. Next is the debt avalanche method. This one focuses on saving you the most money on interest. Here, you list your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. You pay the minimum amount on all debts except the one with the highest interest rate. On that highest interest debt, you put all your extra money. Once that debt is cleared, you move to the debt with the next highest interest rate. This method saves you the most money over time because you're attacking the most expensive debt first. It's smart financially, though it might take longer to see the first debt completely gone. If you're finding these strategies helpful, please press the like button right now. And if you know someone who is struggling with debt, please share this video with them. Your support helps us provide valuable financial guidance to more people. Beyond these two main methods, there are other strategies. Sometimes debt consolidation can help. This is when you take out a new loan to pay off several smaller debts. The idea is to get a lower interest rate or a single easier payment. But be careful, make sure the new loan actually saves you money. For very tough situations, you might even consider talking to a financial advisor or a debt counseling service. They can help you explore options like debt management plans or negotiating with lenders. Finally, here are a few common mistakes to avoid when you're trying to get out of debt. Taking on new debt, don't add to your problems. Avoid new loans or credit card purchases while you're paying off old ones. Ignoring small debts. Even small debts can add up and carry interest. Tackle them as part of your plan. Not having an emergency fund. Without savings for emergencies, you might end up using credit again when unexpected costs pop up. Build a small emergency fund first, even a few thousand rupees, before focusing entirely on debt. Getting out of debt is a journey, not a single step. It takes effort and a plan, but the freedom and peace of mind you gain are priceless. Choose a method that works for you, stick to it, and celebrate every small victory along the way. What's your biggest challenge with debt or your best tip for paying it off? Share it in the comments below. And if you want more clear and practical money advice that helps you live better, please subscribe to our channel right now. Make sure to tap that bell icon and then tap it a second time so you never miss out on our new videos. We're here to help you on your money journey. See you next time.